2 party drugs may soon be legal medicine for 2 hard-to-treat diseases. A special marijuana has been helping children with epilepsy, including Maggie Selmeski in Colorado. Maggie's father says that with conventional anti-seizure medicines, she still had 500 seizures a day, plus side effects.
They drugged her up. She would sleep for 20 hours a day. It wouldn't make a noise all day long.
Daily doses of olive oil mixed with a marijuana extract called cannabidiol helped. Maggie now has fewer seizures and is more alert. Medical marijuana is legal in 29 states, including Colorado. And the makers of a cannabidiol product named Epidiolex have now completed all 3 phases of FDA-approved clinical studies. Sometime next year, they anticipate Epidiolex will be a federally legal medicine for epilepsy. Also on the legal road is MDMA, best known as an ingredient of the party drug ecstasy, but in this case used as medicine to promote trust with a therapist for treating post-traumatic stress disorder. Boulder, Colorado psychiatrist Will Vandeveer says currently the only FDA-approved PTSD medicines usually don't work well.
And leave millions of people still symptomatic and suffering and dying from suicide.
Those who have suffered include Karen, who was sexually abused when she was 5. Her nightmares and dread never went away with standard therapies.
I was taking an antidepressant. I've tried a million things. It feels like a million. Decades of therapy.
Then she enrolled in an FDA-approved clinical study of therapy and MDMA. Details are online in this documentary that features Karen.
A lot happened in that room, making lots of connections and doing lots of healing.
The protocol lasted 3 months, including weekly therapy. Once a month, therapists gave Karen MDMA, then stayed during the 8 hours the drug was active, helping her recall past traumas in a more healing way.
They realized, wow, I was holding my breath. I was trying not to breathe. Or I was completely going away and dissociating from the experience, and now I see what was really happening.
Karen says the 3-month protocol worked.
I don't walk around just thinking I'm garbage anymore. I feel like, wow, I'm kind of a good person here.
The MDMA plus therapy protocol has eliminated symptoms in nearly 70% of people previously diagnosed with treatment-resistant PTSD. The final step before requesting FDA approval as a prescription medicine is Phase 3 trials. They're scheduled to start next year. For VOA News, I'm Shelley Schlender in Boulder, Colorado.